How to get multi-snap back on Snapchat. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your multi-snap easily back on Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat. And from here you just have to access your camera. Once you get here, all you need to do to send a multi-snap, in which you can send multiple snaps at once, you just have to tap on this drop down on the right side of your screen, and you will find many options like sound, timer, director mode, tone, focus, and grid. You just tap on the multi-snap option right here. You create a snap, and if you want to edit and send, you can do that. And if you want to click a new one, just do that as well. As you can see here, the number is increasing, meaning that I'm taking a new snap. So let me just change the filter for now. So if I just change the filter to this one right here, I can just click right here like this, and it will automatically click the picture. Now I'm just going to tap on edit and send. I'm going to send to, and then go ahead and send these people. So as you can see, these multiple snaps has been sent at once. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.